Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ford GT40 versus the Dodge Viper. We'll explore their unique characteristics, performance capabilities, and cultural impact to help you decide which iconic American sports car might be considered better for different reasons. The Ford GT40, a true racing legend, dominated the endurance scene, famously winning Le Mans multiple times. Its design and engineering were revolutionary for its era, setting a high bar for performance vehicles. Now, let's shift our focus to the Dodge Viper, a beast of a machine known for its sheer power and unapologetic design. With its enormous V10 engine, the Viper delivers an exhilarating, almost untamed driving experience. It's a car built for speed and adrenaline, offering a direct connection between driver and road. This American muscle car truly embodies a no-compromise approach to performance. When it comes to performance, these two titans offer distinct advantages. The Ford GT40, with its racing pedigree, is engineered for precision handling and sustained high-speed performance on a track. Its aerodynamic form factor was revolutionary. The Dodge Viper, on the other hand, is a drag strip hero, delivering incredible straight-line speed and raw power. Each car provides a unique thrill, catering to different driving preferences. Considering their legacies, the Ford GT40 is an automotive icon, revered for its racing history and rarity, making it incredibly valuable to collectors. The Dodge Viper, while newer, has carved out its own niche as a modern performance legend, celebrated for its audacious power and distinctive character. Both cars represent peak American engineering, but appeal to different enthusiasts. For those looking to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.